Bye. Oh my, oh no, oh no. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm all alone. Oh, what do you think? Oh wait, there's nobody else on me. Oh, I've never done a tilt roller coaster before. Oh no. Oh, Vekoma. I know it's going to be so smooth. I know it's going to be like the smoothest ride I've ever done. It's going to be amazing. And I talk so much when I'm nervous, and there's nobody next to me to speak to. Oh wait, is everybody okay at the back? Oh wait, there's nobody in the back. Oh, it's going to tilt. It's going to tilt. I know it. Oh! Oh, that is absolutely terrifying. Right, okay. Oh my, oh no, just let me go, let me go. Ah! That was horrible. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh. Great, that was so good. That was so good. What a beautiful train design as well.